What's up everyone? My name is JR and welcome to my channel. Well, I would like to begin by thanking all of you who have shown support from the very beginning. So sincerely, thank you for subscribing, for watching the videos, for liking, and even leaving comments. All those mean a lot to me. You truly inspire me to do more this 2021. Well, before I get too emotional, allow me to invite you, if you're here for the first time, please show the same kind of support by subscribing and clicking the bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, another day calls for another vlog and we will be cooking again. So the last time I did enjoy the 2 Korean recipes that I prepared. For today, let's go Italian with the twist of Filipino. So join me as I cook creamy Longganisa pasta. Gutom na naman ako, so let's begin. Wait, actually I'm doing the intro here in my room, so let's head over to the kitchen. For the ingredients, we need 500 grams of skinned longanisa, 700 grams of spaghetti noodles, 500 ml of all-purpose cream, 200 ml of sour cream, 3 cups of cheese, garlic, butter, and to season, we need red bell pepper flakes, pepper, and salt. So for our first step, let's cook the longanisa. I already heat the pan and the longanisa is already peeled. There you go. I'm not going to add oil since mamantika na siya, as you can see. So this is half kilo, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 pieces longanisa. Now this type of longganisa this is Imus longganisa, which is similar to that of vegan, so it's garlicky and then may konting acid. I think it's almost cooked. Pag-iwalay lang natin yung mga buo-buong parts. And I think it's the right decision that hindi ko nalagyan ng mantika. Or else. Add butter. Hindi naglagay ng mantika pero may butter din, so unhealthy pa rin. Anyway, hindi naman siya lagi, so it's okay to give in. Now let's add more garlic. Para masisarap. Let's add mushroom. Now let's mix the basil. At mas lalo naman siyang bumango. Grabe. And this time, let's pour our all-purpose cream. Next, let's add the sour cream. Next, let's add our red bell pepper flakes and the other seasonings such as black pepper and salt. I already started boiling water for our spaghetti noodles. Let me just check it out later. Lastly, our cheese. Muntik na makalimutan. Our spaghetti noodles is now al dente, so time to mix it with our sauce. Nice one. Let's just mix them thoroughly. The aroma of the basil and the garlic is so nakakatakam. I'm so excited to eat. And let's turn off the heat. And it's eating time, guys. Here's our Longganisa pasta. Now I already put a serving on my plate. So let's indulge. I can't wait to taste it. Let's do the twirl. Oops. Masarap siya. I swear, ako nagluto, so it wouldn't make sense me bragging about what I did, but masarap talaga siya. Masarap talaga siya. How would I describe it? I think it has the right amount of creaminess considering that we put all-purpose cream and then sour cream. Na-balance siya ng longganisa and then dinamihan natin ng garlic plus the basil. The aroma is perfect and hindi siya nakakaumay. So I'll have to finish this because the hardest job comes after eating, which is editing this video before posting it. Well, thank you again for joining me. Wait, let me invite you before I continue eating. Please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Just click the subscribe button below. Also click the bell button so you get notification every time I upload a video. And I hope to see you next time. So, how's it been? For this year, for 2021, we've tried Korean food, now Italian and Filipino. So if you have suggestions, please feel free to leave a comment below and I'll definitely try to read it and reply to each one. Thank you so much, guys. This has been JR and I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Let's eat again. Subscribe. Hinahanap ko yung longganisa.